Point slope form of equation of a line. Student learning objectives. Point slope form of equation of a line. Given some information about a line, write its equation in slope-intercept form or general form. Given the graph of a line, write the equation. Point slope form of an equation of a line. Given the slope m of a line and a point x1, y1 on the line, we can find the equation of the line using the point slope form of equation of a line. The point slope form of an equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Given some information about a line, write its equation in slope-intercept form or general form. Example, find the equation of the line that passes through -1, 0 and has a slope 2. So we're given a slope m is 2, and we are given the point -1, 0. So we can let -1 be x1. 0 be y1. So using the point slope form of equation of a line, we have y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Replace m, x1 and y1 by m that is given here and the ordered pair x1, y1. So here we have y minus 0 is equal to m is 2 times x minus x1, which is -1. And simplify this and write the equation in the slope-intercept form or the general form. So y minus 0 is y is equal to 2 times x minus -1 is x plus 1. Distribute the 2 by multiplying. So we have y is equal to 2x plus 2. So this is the slope-intercept form. Of the equation of the line. We can rewrite this so that it becomes the general form or the standard form. To do that, subtract y from each side. So we have 2x minus y is equal to subtract 2 from each side minus 2. So this here is the general form or the standard form. Find the equation of the line that passes through the ordered pairs 2, 3 and -1, 5. So we're given 2 ordered pairs. So to find the equation of the line, we need to find the slope of the line. So we have 2, 3. Let's make this x1 and this one y1. And the second one -1, 5. Let's make this one x2 and this one y2. So the slope is given as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, change in y over change in x. Plug in the values. So 5 minus 3 over -1 minus 2. This here is equal to 2 over -3. So the slope is -2 over 3. We can choose one of the points, 2, 3 or -1, 5 as our point to use the point slope form of equation of the line. So let's choose 2, 3. And we're going to use y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1 to find the equation of the line. So y minus y1 is 3. Is equal to m is -2 over 3 times x minus x1. x1 is 2. So simplify. Y minus 3 is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 4 over 3. Distribute this. And it gives us minus 2 over 3x. Minus 2 times minus 2 is minus 2 over 3 times minus 2 is minus 4 over 3. We can here multiply the denominator here is 3. The least common denominator for us here is 3. So we multiply each side of the equal sign by the least common denominator to remove the denominator. So doing that, we get y minus 3 times 3 is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 4 over 3 times 3. So distribute the 3 here. We get 3y minus 9 is equal to, distribute this here, we get a minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so now we can write it in a standard form. We can add 2x to each side. I'm not going to write the details, but we add the 2x to each side. It becomes 3y plus 2x is equal to, add 9 to each side. So we have 9 plus 4. So this becomes 3y or 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So this is the standard form of the equation of the line. If you were asked to write the equation of the line in the slope-intercept form, then we have to solve for y. So solving for y here, we have subtract 2x from each side. Doing that, we get 2x, subtract 2x from each side. Doing that, we get 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 13, and divide each side by 3. And that gives us y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 13 over 3. So the y-intercept is negative 2 over 3. The slope is negative 2 over 3, and the y-intercept is 13 over 3, 0, comma 13 over 3. So this here is the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. Example. Write the equation of the line given the graph. So now we are given the graph of the line, and we want to write the equation of the line. So from here we have, let's say, we want to write it in a slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. One, we're given 2 points. The 1 point we are given for this problem is 0, comma 3, the y-intercept. The other point that we are given is the x-intercept, which is minus 4, comma 0. So we go through the same process as we did in this example. In example 2 here, we're given 2 points and we found the equation of the line. We go through the same process to find the equation of the line. There is another way also that we can find it just by looking at the graph. That is, the y-intercept is 0, comma 3. So this is the y-intercept. That is b is equal to 3. So in our equation here, b is 3. What about the slope? We are given 2 points on the line. So from this y-intercept, to reach to this point, to the negative 4, comma 0, the slope, what it does here, it goes down vertically in the negative direction until it gets to 0. from this point up to this point, how many units does it rise? The rise is in the negative direction is 3 points. So -3 over, and then it goes run in the negative x direction until it reaches the second point, which is four units from x equal to 0. It goes 4 units to the left. So the run is -4. So here the slope is 3 over 4. So we have y is equal to 3 over 4. This is the equation of the line. This line, y equal to 3 over 4x, which we found the slope, plus the y-intercept, which is 3.